Myself JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JDBC 8th semester. We will discuss the practical session based on law of dominance. In a cross of parents that are pure for constructing tracts, only one form of the tracts will appear in the next generation. All the offsprings will be heterozygous and express only the dominant tracts. Okay. Example is capital R cross between smaller yields. So produce all of springs in F1 generations, capital R and small r, round seeds. This means round seeds and wrinkle seeds. Capital R represented round seeds and smaller represented small wrinkled seeds. Okay. Law of domination. So F2 generations, these test cross presented some characters, 3 genotypic yields, 2 phenotypes characters and 3 genotypic yields. P1 monohybrid cross, trait seed safe, alleles are represented by capital R represented by round and small r represented by wrinkled seeds, cross round seeds and wrinkled seeds. So Y checkerboards seen this results. Genotype capital R small r, phenotype round, genotype ratio all alike and phenotype ratio all alike. Okay. And homozygous dominants, P1 monohybrid cross reviews homozygous dominant small x and homozygous recessives, and offspring or heterozygous hybrid and offspring called F1 generations, and the genotypes and phenotypes ratio is all alike. F1 monohybrid cross, trait seed shape, alleles capital R is round and small r represented by wrinkled, cross round seeds and wrinkled seeds are round seeds and round seeds. For F2 generations, capital R smaller and capital R small r's, cross seen in checkerboards. So genotypic ratio is capital R smaller and smaller. Phenotypic round and wrinkled. Genotypic ratio 1:2:1 and phenotypic ratio 3:1. F1 monohybrid cross reviews heterozygous into heterozygous, offsprings 25%, homozygous dominants capital R and 50% heterozygous capital R and small r, and 25% homozygous recessives smaller. Offspring called F2 generations, and genotypic ratio 1:2:1 and phenotypic ratio 3:1 seen displayed by checkerboards. Okay. F2 monohybrid cross traits seed shape alleles capital are round and small or wrinkles. Cross round seed and round seeds capital R and capital R small r. By checkerboard, so genotype capital R and small r capital R. Phenotypes is round. Genotypic ratio 1:1 and phenotypic ratio all alike. F2 monohybrid cross seconds traits seed shape and alleles capital R round and small or wrinkled. Cross wrinkled seeds and round seeds. Wrinkled seeds represented smaller and round seeds represented capital R and small r. By checkerboards results genotype capital R smaller and smaller and phenotype round and wrinkled. Genotypic ratio 1:1 and phenotypic ratio 1:1. Okay. F2 monohybrid cross review homozygous small x and homozygous cross between heterozygous. Offspring 50% homozygous capital R and smaller and 50% heterozygous capital R and small r. Phenotypic ratio is 1:1 called test cross because the offsprings have same phenotypes as. Okay. Thank you, students.